Okay, a little disclaimer before y'all watch this video. So, um, the brushes I used in this video are literally paintbrushes because I'm a broke ratchet. Oh, like, yeah, I don't care. I mean, I'm not a makeup guru, like, I'm not a makeup artist, so I don't really care. I mean, I just do what I make it happen, you know what I mean? I mean, fuck. It doesn't look that bad. Wow, a lot of people probably are cringing at my paintbrushes that I use for my eyebrows and my highlight on my under my brow. But it's okay. People are gonna hate. It's fine. Like, okay, just watch it if y'all want to. I was feeling this rain, like Saturday, rainy Saturday thing, and also like my white strips have been working. So yeah. Okay. Bye.
We're just hanging on, facing our fears and standing out there alone. Are we yearning? And it's real for me. There must be someone who's feeling for me. Things look so bad everywhere. I never dreamed that I'd meet somebody like you. And I never dreamed that I'd miss somebody like you. And I wanna fall in love. This is redemption. When do I bother at all? There's nothing to mention, and nothing has